Yeah, close it, door. I don't want you guys. I don't want you to hear it.
Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Pipestone County in southwestern Minnesota until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pipestone, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. At 5:41 p.m., ball-sized hail was reported west of Thunderstorm.
I know whether radio live.
Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near.
Echo. Play NOAA Weather Radio Live.
Exiting around 6:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sioux Falls.
Best converting checkout on the planet. Like just one tap, ridiculously fast.
For the following counties: Pipestone, Minnesota.
That's the good stuff. So if your business is in it to win it, win with Shop.
Stop.
The sky was mostly sunny in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 81 and the dew point 60. The relative humidity was 48%. Wind was hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Okay, come on.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near. Room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor
Yeah, we
of
got
the
it on
building.
recognize that key.
For severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sioux Falls. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Sioux, and Plymouth.
Hopefully we got a double header.
At 8 p.m.,
Nope.
the sky was partly cloudy in Sioux Falls. The temp.
Boy, that was an epic fail. Two did an epic fail. Wonderful. What warning? What?
The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a flash flood warning for
What
north
warning?
central Lincoln County in southeastern South
Oh,
Dakota,
dude, I am
south central
cooked.
Minnehaha County in southeastern
Oh,
South Dakota
dude.
until 10:45
I am
p.m.
absolutely cooked.
At 7:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
What's going on?
Some locations that will
What is
experience
that?
flash flooding
Oh, no.
include Sioux
What's
Falls.
Jack?
Turn around.
Wait.
Don't drown when encountering
That's last
flooded
flood
roads.
warning. What's it
Most
include?
flood deaths
Wait,
occur in
listen?
vehicles.
Yeah.
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota, Lincoln, and Minnehaha. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other houses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sioux Falls. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued in South Dakota, South Central Minnehaha County in southeastern South Dakota until 10:45 p.m.
Yeah, I might have to
At
go. I might have
7:45
to
p.m., Doppler radar
Hey,
indicated
EAS
thunderstorms producing heavy
compilation
rain
number
across
5.
the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in one.
I have to do the EAS compilation number 3 or number 4 or 5.
Brought to you by Good Natured. Stop by their new non-alcoholic community social space. Now open at 921 East 8th Street in downtown Sioux Falls. Stop in to check out this fun...
Yeah. Boy!
In the evening, then showers likely with a slight chance
My
of
God!
after midnight.
Just wonderful. Thanks, WS. Thank you, WSM. Thank you. Thank you, FSD. Are
Sioux
you
Falls has
kidding
issued
me?
a flash flood warning for northwestern O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, southwestern Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, east central Sioux County in northwestern Iowa until 11:45 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is... Flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Sioux, O'Brien, and Osceola. Operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Central Brookings County,
Yeah,
in
these
east
two
central
get it
South
go.
Dakota until 2:15 p.m.
Oh,
At
maybe
1:34 p.m.,
maybe if
a
this
severe
was
thunderstorm was located near Tillman, or 17 miles east of Madison, moving north at 35 miles an hour.
check it out.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour.
Hold on.
Gusts and
Hold on.
quarter-size hail.
Let's capture this.
Source, radar indicated.
Radar indicator.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brookings around 1:45 p.m. Aurora around 1:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Volga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota, Moody, and Brookings. Operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This is no weather radio station WXM20.
Man, pop that on camera.
The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm
All of them
warning
was going
for
on.
northeastern Rock County in
Yeah.
southwestern Minnesota.
Woo! Yeah, that was
Stone
going
County
on.
in southwestern Minnesota, west central Murray County in southwestern Minnesota until 4:30 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sherman to near Blue Mountain State Park to near Laverne, moving north at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Laverne, Jasper, Hardwick, Trotsky, and Blue Mountain State Park around 4:10 p.m. Pipestone, Edgerton, and Pipestone National Monument around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hatfield and Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sioux Falls. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Pipestone, and Murray.
So far, my name is Average Joe. Gonna do some Queen after Pearl Jam from their debut album 10. It's Black on 103.7 The Crew.
The program originates from the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls and serves the surrounding tri-state area. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rocky Mountain, southwestern Minnesota, Pipestone, northern southwestern Minnesota, west central Murray County, and southwest.
Boy, caught that one right there. First time of this one. I forgot to do it on, so I have to put any of that before this one go off. So hopefully next Wednesday, they're gonna do this one again. I don't know why this thing. Okay. So anyways, so all these are gonna go off. So we're gonna catch this one. So this is my first time of getting this severe weather alert on this one. Like, oh. Yeah, let's see what. Yep, we got a severe thunderstorm warning. No, wait, severe thunderstorm warning. I'm gonna go ahead.
Building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report.